Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to discuss about combination of capacitor. What is meant by combination of capacitors? There are if two or more capacitor are connected together, what is the capacitance? That we are going to study in this chapter. Combination means combining of capacitor. There are two ways we have to make it to be combine the capacitors. One is to be series combination and another one is parallel combination. First we will discuss about the series combination. That means capacitors are in series. Capacitors are in series combination. How the series combination? Series combination means this is the positive plate of this plate and this is the negative plate of this. The capacitance of this capacitor is C1. Then in the series combination, positive plate of the one plate is connected to the negative plate of the other. So positive plate of this is connected to the negative plate of this. Okay, that is C2. Clear? Okay. This entire thing is to be connected to a voltage source. You can be consider it is to be a voltage source. What will be happen? There is to be a charges will becomes. What is the charge stored in? This is to be these capacitors are connected in series combination. So in the series combination, the charge stored in each capacitor is same. That is here plus Q, here minus Q, here also plus Q, here also minus Q. Clear? And what about the potential difference? This V1 is the potential difference across the first capacitor and V2 is the potential difference across the second capacitor. Okay, if V is the potential difference. Clear? Okay, so what is V1? We knows Q is equal to CV. We knows the formula, the charge stored in the capacitor. Q is equal to CV. That is charge stored in the first capacitor Q1 is equal to C1 into V1. Okay, this Q value is common. So we can get that is equal to what? Q1 divided by C1. So this Q1 and Q2 are equal. So we can write it as Q by C1. What is V2? V2 is the potential difference across the second plate. That is equal to Q by C2. Okay. Total potential difference between this plate is equal to that we can write it as V is equal to V1 plus V2. That is equal to Q by C1 plus Q by C2. Clear? Okay. Then from this what is to be constant? Q is to be constant. You can take it outside. That is 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Clear? If this entire system is to be considered as a single capacitor, that is a single capacitor that is to be connected to a voltage source. This is the equivalent, that is the equivalent voltage across it, and the capacitance is C equivalent and V is the voltage itself will become considered. Okay, what is the charge on a plus Q and it is to be minus Q. Okay, so I will be compare with this system. What about this voltage? We know the charge Q is equal to C equivalent into V. Okay, so this from this what is V? V is equal to Q by C equivalent. Okay, this is also V, this is also V. So we can equate this. So what we will get? Q by C equivalent is equal to Q into 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Q we can cancel. So 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. This is the equivalent capacitance of a capacitor if the capacitors are connected in series combination. Clear? If the n capacitors are connected in series, what is the capacitor? If n capacitor of capacitance C1, C2 up to etc. C1 are in series. Then C equivalent is equal to 1 by C equivalent is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus up to etc. 1 by Cn. Clear? Okay. Here we will consider the special case, that is only two capacitors. That is C equivalent is equal to what you will get? 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. That is what is the LCM between them? Is C1 into C2. What will be get here? C1 plus C2 you will get. That is 1 by C equivalent. So what is C equivalent? That is C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2. That is the equivalent capacitance if only two capacitors are connected in series. Clear? This is about the series combination, equivalent capacitance. Next we are going to see about the parallel combination. Now we are going to discuss about capacitors in parallel. So I am going to consider two capacitors are connected in parallel. How we will connect parallel combination? Parallel combination means positive plate of the one capacitor is connected to the positive plate of the another capacitor, and the negative plate of the one capacitor is connected to negative plate of the another capacitor. Like this entire thing is to be like this, is to be connected to a voltage source. The capacitance of the first capacitor is C1 and the capacitance of the second capacitor is C2. Clear? So the potential difference is to be V, and the potential difference across these two capacitors, the C1 capacitor potential difference across the C1 capacitor is V, and the potential difference across the C2 capacitor is V, because this is connected in parallel. If what will be happen? There is a Q amount of charge is to be comes from here. From this there is a Q1 plus Q1 charge is to be stored, and minus Q1 here. Here there is a plus Q2 and minus Q2. That is about this case. Clear? So in the parallel combination, the charge stored in the capacitor is different. Clear? Okay. So what is the charge stored in the first capacitor? Q1 is equal to capacitance of the capacitor into potential difference. That is C1 into V. Charge stored in the second capacitor is equal to C2 into V. Okay. Net charge is equal to Q is equal to what you will get? C equal to Q1 plus Q2. That is we can get what is Q1? C1V plus C2V. That is equal to, from this V is to be common, you can take it out outside. C1 plus C2. Clear? This is the net charge stored in the system. Clear? This is the net charge stored in this system. Clear? Now I am going to imagine this entire system is to be as a single capacitor. What will be happen? This is a single capacitor. It is to be connected to a potential difference V. So the charge stored in this is plus Q and this is minus Q. Okay. So what is Q value? Q value is equal to potential difference across into, I am consider the capacitance of this capacitor is C equivalent. Clear? These two sides are equal, so you can equate these two equations. So what you will get? So V into C equivalent is equal to V into C1 plus C2. Clear? So C equivalent is equal to how much? C1 plus C2. So this is the capacitance of the capacitors are connected in parallel. If n capacitors of capacitance C1, C2 up to etc. C1 are in parallel, then the equivalent capacitance is equal to C1 plus C2 plus up to etc. Cn. That means just add the capacitance. That is the net capacitance of the capacitor connected in parallel. Clear? That is about the combination of capacitors. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. If you like this video, please put like and share.